Installing a bathroom fan in a sloped ceiling presents a unique challenge. The fan housing must be level, but the ceiling surface is angled. First, always prioritize safety. Go to your circuit breaker panel and turn off the power to the bathroom. Double-check that the power is off using a non-contact voltage tester at the switch. Next, you need to plan the fan's location. Use a stud finder to locate the ceiling joists. You want to place the fan housing between two joists. Also, consider the path for your ductwork. The ideal path is as short and straight as possible to an exterior wall or the roof. Once you've chosen a spot, use the cardboard template that came with your fan to trace the opening onto the ceiling. Drill a pilot hole inside your traced line. Then, use a drywall saw or a jigsaw to carefully cut out the opening. Remember to wear safety glasses and a dust mask. Now for the most important part, mounting the housing. You have two primary methods to create a level mount on an angled surface. The first method is building a level box. You will construct a small, square frame out of 2x4 lumber. This box needs to fit snugly between the two ceiling joists. Attach the box to the joists, ensuring its bottom edges are perfectly level. You will then mount the fan housing directly to this level wooden box. The second method involves using adjustable hanger bars, which come with many modern fans. These metal bars extend between the joists. You can adjust their position and angle to create a level mounting point for the fan housing. Secure the bars to the joists, then attach the fan housing according to the manufacturer's instructions, using a level to confirm it is correct. With the housing securely mounted, it's time for wiring. Run your electrical cable from the switch location into the fan's junction box. Connect the wires according to the fan's diagram, typically matching colors, black to black and white to white. Connect the ground wire. Secure all connections with wire nuts and close the junction box. Next is the ductwork. Attach a 4-inch or 6-inch duct to the fan's exhaust port. Use foil tape or a metal clamp for a secure, airtight seal. Run this duct to your exterior vent cap. Never vent moist bathroom air into your attic space, as this can cause mold and rot. If the duct runs through an unheated area like an attic, insulate it to prevent condensation from forming inside. Finally, install the fan grille. Some grilles are designed to accommodate a slight angle, while others may require a specific sloped ceiling adapter, sold separately. Push the grille into place until it's snug against the ceiling. You can apply a thin bead of caulk around the grille's perimeter for a clean, finished look. Go back to your breaker panel and restore the power. Test your new fan to ensure it operates correctly. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more home improvement guides.